Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show how to get a Spotify code of a song. A Spotify code is a unique scannable QR-like code that allows you to share music, albums, podcasts, artists, and playlists with others. Spotify codes are a convenient way to share music and other content from Spotify with other Spotify users. Spotify codes can be used on many platforms, but they might be especially useful on platforms without link outs like Instagram and Snapchat. Anyone with the Spotify app can scan a Spotify code to access the corresponding content. Now, let's see how can we get a Spotify code of a song. So, as you can see, we have already opened the Spotify app. We have already chosen the song here. Then tap on the top right options. Here you will find lot of options and we will scroll it down and you will find show Spotify code and we will tap on that. Here you are seeing the Spotify code of this specific song. So that is how you are going to get a Spotify code of a song. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.